Today is a Super Saturday and my name is Michelle Nguyen with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. We're actually having our RBID tour of home today at our listing 490 West Avenue in Fullerton. So what is RBID? From the traditional real estates or an outside agents, they actually host an open house. It could be 3, 4, 5 hours just waiting for buyers to come in to take a look at the home. And what ended up happening is the nosy neighbors are the one who comes into the open house. For us, when sellers contact us, we already have 55,000 cash buyers in our database. And for the whole week, we have been contacting our buyers to tell them about the property, and we have 100 cash buyers confirmed to come today to take a look at the property, expecting multiple offers in the first 30 minutes. If you're planning to buy or sell, please contact us at Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, 626-789-0159.
Now dance, oh dance, oh dance for me. Now put your hands in the air. No, show me what you got, baby doll. Now dance for me.
Hey guys, this is the end of the tour home that we did. We had a very successful. The house was literally pretty much sold within 60 minutes. We have plenty of offers. If you're thinking about making a move, make sure you call Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. You got the right team.